Hello, guys. Gold Sniper here, and let's just begin our analysis of XAUUSD. That is for 1st October 2023. Sorry, I'm really sorry. It's 2nd October 2023, which will be Monday. Now, before we begin the next month, we will just go through the monthly chart of gold first. All right. So, just give me a second. Okay, so as you can see, guys, on the monthly chart of gold, that is for September, we saw a huge downfall. Okay, after a consolidation, I will say that you see, after 3 months of solid consolidation, we have finally seen a breakdown below 1894 and 1885 levels. Okay, and where do I think this downfall can happen till? Most likely, the most important support comes somewhere around 1800 level, 1800 to 1820. So I'll just mark it over here so you guys can see. So this is the major support over here. Okay, from 1820, 1820 onwards to 1800, that's where I'm expecting gold to take a support. Okay, if we break the critical support of 1800, then we can see this fall increasing further. Then we can see a fall till like maybe 1780, 1760, uh, and it can go down further like that as well. But forget about that, just consider 1800. Okay, most likely we will take support around 1800, which is still like 480 pips away from, we are still 480 pips away from it. All right. And if you will see, now we'll go to the daily chart of gold. On daily chart of gold, I want you to see an interesting observation. Okay, I had given a trade that was like two times I had given this trade. You know what, just I'll do one thing, not the daily chart. Okay, one second. Yeah, I'll show you why. This range, if you will see this range from like 1900 to 1800, you will see over here, just observe. Okay, there isn't much resistance on the upside or downside. It just went up like this. Okay, went up. Okay, there is not much of a resistance in this entire 1800 to 1900 region. Okay, so that's why you see similar move when price went up this way without much of a resistance. It came down also without much resistance. That's because there is a lack of supports and resistance in this area, and that's why you're seeing this big fall. All right. Now I will get to the hourly chart of gold. So this is the hourly chart of gold, and two times, okay, this week two times I got it correctly. First, we saw this breakdown from 1875. One second, on the hourly chart I'll take. Yeah, this was the first time you see gold gave a breakdown like from here 1875 to 1860. This we got it right. This happened on Thursday. Okay, Friday, then gold again went up till like 1870. The core PCE inflation came, and that came in cooler. Okay, so market went up. Okay, but what happened was, DXY trend didn't change. Okay, DXY just gave a pullback, and then again it started going up. And that's when, when gold broke this level, 1870 level. That's when I said history is gonna repeat itself, and we are going to see a fall till like 1860. And that was from 1870 to 1860. We got a 100 pip move, and then once again I gave a sell call saying that, for a target of 1835, which is 350 pips move away. Okay, and we almost, halfway through the journey we have reached. Okay, we gave a closing at 1848. If market was open for longer, definitely, even on Monday, firmly believe gold will drop till 1835 first. And okay, and from there it might try attempt a reversal once again. All right, but if we see the dollar index keep on going up, definitely gold will go down further till levels like 1820, 1810, and ultimately 1800 levels. Okay, we can see. Okay, and the reason, I showed you on the daily chart. Okay, that why we are falling this way, like, there isn't any proper supports at all. It's just free fall from 1925 onwards. Free fall, especially once we entered the 1800, this 1875, 1860 region. It's just pure free fall. The reason being, there isn't much support. If I will just go back a little back in time, you will see when price rallied from 1835, see it flew and went till 1860, and from here it gapped up till like 1895, came down, but again price flew till like 1915 levels. And that's why if you will see, there isn't, price went up without much, of a resistance. Okay, and that's why you see, even when it's coming down also, it is not, there isn't, buyers are not, reacting much, they are not defending it much, and the supports and resistances are very far away. If you go above like 1900 level, 1890 onwards, you see at every $5 level there's supports and resistance, but that is not the case below 1890. You see the supports and resistances are at very far away distances. So definitely that's why you see this such huge moves. All right. So what is my analysis for Monday? I'll take the 4-hour chart of gold. Monday, if we are consolidating here, definitely we can play for the downside. So we can sell till a target of like 1835. Once price comes till 1835, we'll see whether price is taking support or not. If it's taking support, then we can go for a buy trade for again, upside target. Depending on the volatility, maybe we can aim till again 1860 also, but we'll have to see. It also depends on the DXY as well. Okay, if DXY starts coming down after it reaches 1835, definitely we can go for some, up move trade, but that will be a pullback trade. All right, unless some fundamental factor changes that causes DXY to change trend, gold will keep continuing going downwards until 1810, 1800 level, and that's where I'm expecting some sort of reversal. But for that reversal to happen, DXY has to change its trend. All right, now we'll go to DXY, because this one determines the entire trend. Okay, and on the daily chart, clearly you can see DXY took support over here. Okay, and again, it went up, and when it went up again, that's when you see this fall in gold happen. Okay, gold fell from like 1880, almost 1818 to 18. That was because DXY rebounded. I'll show you on the hourly chart. So DXY almost came till support, and then again it rallied back up. This is what caused gold to fall. All right. So tomorrow also entirely, we can definitely take trades based on DXY. And DXY, if you will see on the daily charts, okay, here it took a resistance. Definitely it is now again preparing, very likely possible tomorrow it can, shoot up tomorrow as well. And if there is some major news coming, definitely it can even break past 107 also. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, on a technical basis, I had told that the target, once again on the monthly chart I will take, it will be much easier to understand. So on the monthly, this is the monthly chart of gold. I will, so I mean DXY, and you can clearly see that DXY trend has changed. This was a bullish trend. This was a pullback, and now DXY has again started, moving upwards. Okay, and if I will do one thing. If I will draw a channel over here, I'll just draw a channel and show you. So this was the high of the channel, and this was the low of the channel. Okay, if you see right now, DXY on a monthly basis has given a breakout. Okay, and what is the ideally target when, a channel is broken? So for that you need to simply, what is the depth of the channel or the height of the channel? Okay, and you take the height of the channel and simply you project it upwards. I'm going to do one thing, I'll just reverse it and draw, so it is much more convenient to understand. So this is the height of the channel. All you have to do is simply take it upwards over here. Okay, and you will see that the target on DXY is coming at 112 level, which is not very far away from its lifetime high of 114.77. Okay, and if you will see the overall structure also, we this looks like DXY is just a bullet, is in a very bullish structure. That is, it has just given a correction, and now again it is ready for a breakout. Definitely, most, if we close above this, if we trade above 115 level, definitely DXY can form even new highs as well. All right, but based on this channel breakout till 112, definitely DXY will go. All right, so there is a lot more fall pending in the chart of gold as well. Okay, so that's my analysis for tomorrow. Most likely we will stay on the bearish side. All right, guys. So let's see how tomorrow also pans out. I mean, Monday pans out. Hope we can keep this money making streak going. All right, guys. So, thank you guys, and have a great day then.